absolutely love this lip liner by itself. This is 90s Icon.
'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you.
This lipstick is actually creamier than the 90s Runway. Kiss test.
Get scared sometimes. Hope it's not this.
This is number 2, 90s Icon.
Time I go too fast.
Number 3 is 90s Supermodel. I don't have the lipstick, however, I have this lip liner. So pretty. Let's do a kiss test. Cool. Alright, this one I don't have the lipstick as well, so I'm gonna swatch the lip liner.
I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you.
Alright, so this lip liner is not as creamy as the other one, but it means that it's long lasting and is very pigmented. Another lip liner that I don't have the lipstick, this is the 90s GLAM.
I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Cause I've been thinking about you.
'90s fashion.
Come on. Baby, I'm not running around looking for nobody else. I've got one thing on my mind. I already hear the bells. Everything about you calling out to me. I got to hold you.
90s Vogue. Fresh. I haven't used it yet.
Nobody else. I've got one thing on my mind. I already hear the bells. I'm a victim of love calling out to heaven above for you.
Beautiful lipstick. This color, it's really hard to make a lipstick that is not patchy. It is even. Alright, last but not the least, I have 90s Chic.
Baby, every curves like a new adventure, pulling me into the center close. So, yeah, baby, I'm not playing around. I mean every little word. I can't get you out of my mind. Oh, baby, every curves got me going crazy. Can't control it, cannot see it all.
Again, this one is 90s Chic lip liner and 90s Vogue lipstick combined together. Alright, that's it. So that's all my KKW Beauty matte lipsticks and lip liners. I love this collection. I love the KKW Beauty Matte Lip collection. The lip liners are still creamy. Some of them are not that creamy, but they're matte lip liners and they're very long lasting. I love the lipsticks. I think the formula is so amazing. I love matte lipsticks like this, like creamy but still matte. Lipsticks are retailed for $18 and the lip liners are $12 each. And they also have a bundle that you can buy, and it's cheaper that way, I guess. I hope this video helps you guys. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Ring that notification bell for more upcoming videos. And leave a comment down below. What do you guys think about the lipsticks and what's your favorite? Thank you so much for watching. Again, my name is KRISTIN and I'm SwatchQueen. Bye! Okay, say hi to everybody. Hi. Say hi.